Yeah, I'm taking a closer look here at the issue that the 2012 Chevy Cruze had. Had developed an oil leak. These O-rings had gotten hard and had started leaking, and the oil was dripping down the side of the oil filter housing and dripping onto the catalytic converter and smoking and causing a lot of smell and just making a mess. So decided to remove this, and in order to do that I had to disturb this banjo fitting, and when you do that you compromise these seals, so I didn't want to reuse them. I thought it would be pretty simple. I thought I could just get some new O-rings and some seals, but they're not not available. I had personally I had some 2.4 millimeter by 5.8, which is would not quite fit. I couldn't quite get, didn't feel like it was going to seal. And I couldn't find these available. These are 2.5 millimeter by 6 millimeter ID. Couldn't find them anywhere. The dealer could get them in, but they'd be about $30 for two of those, and that's just ridiculous. And these were about $12 a piece. I was planning on using these BMW parts, these copper gaskets for the banjo fitting. I think that would probably work. I've seen that. I've used that before on them. I don't know why these, the Chevy ones are aluminum, and they have some kind of rubber ring around there. I know the rubber ring is not doing anything to seal it. I think it's just there to retain it. But since I couldn't find the O-rings, I decided to do the next best thing and buy the complete assembly here. And this one, this assembly is manufactured by Dorman. And you know, anytime Dorman makes something, it's because it's kind of a common problem, and they know they're going to sell a lot of them. And so here's another example of that. This was $38, and it was sitting on the shelf at Advance Auto, and actually it's AutoZone. Advance Auto could order it, but took a few days. And so I could have paid less and ordered it and waited around for it, but I just drove down there and picked it up. There are a few differences. This one's got a 10 millimeter hex key for the banjo fitting, and the old one uses a Torx here. No big deal. And then also, it looks like maybe an improvement. They put a heat shield on the pipe. This goes right inside the exhaust manifold, so it's exposed to a lot of direct heat from the exhaust. And so I'm expecting maybe they were having also some issues with this pipe coking up, maybe in really hot climates, if it sat there, ran hot or something. So I'm going to cut this open later and take a look inside there and see if it actually was going to be a problem. But for now, I'm going to just install this new piece and hopefully take care of the oil leak on that 2012 Chevy Cruze. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your project.